If you are wondering for how long Samsung Galaxy A37 is going to be supported, then the answer seems to be quite simple. The phone is going to receive up to 6 major Android updates, which in theory it means that it's going to be 6 years. If we consider that Androids receive new versions, new updates, major updates every year, then if we stick to that, then it means that we should get 6 years of support. Of course, in reality, it might be a little bit more than that, because usually Samsung Galaxy A models, they can be a little bit behind with the newer Android versions. Of course, you might need to wait a bit longer to get new Android versions, but still 6 Android upgrades are promised, so eventually you should be able to get every single one of them, every single next one, starting from Android 16, of course. So the starting Android version is Android 16 over here. Leave a like and subscribe.